Welcome to today's video, where we are going to dive into a common problem that many developers face when working with type traits in C++. The problem we will be addressing involves checking whether a particular function is declared for a given type, and ensuring that the function call is routed through a specific namespace using argument-dependent-lookup, ADL. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key here is to implement a mechanism that enforces calling the function only through ADL. By introducing a poison pill in the form of a deleted function within a nested namespace, we can ensure that the function call will only be resolved through ADL. This approach involves creating a nested namespace structure where the actual function is defined along with a deleted function in the outer namespace. This setup forces any unqualified calls to the function to utilize ADL for resolution, preventing conflicts with other functions in external namespaces. In summary, by utilizing the technique of introducing a poison pill in the form of a deleted function within a nested namespace, we can effectively ensure that the function call is only resolved through argument-dependent-lookup, ADL. This approach provides a robust solution to the initial problem of enforcing ADL for function calls and avoiding conflicts with functions in external namespaces. We hope you found this explanation helpful in tackling similar challenges in your own C++ projects. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.